possible we can cancel out similar base according to the rule called the exponential function or the indicial. Hi guys, let's look at the same problem. Find the values of x if 4 is the power of x squared minus 4 is equal to 1. It's quite very simple. This is the expression 4x is the power of 2 minus 4 equals to 1. So what we need to do is to make sure that this right hand side have a similar base with 4, and that will be 4 is the power of x squared minus 4 equal to 4 is the power of 0. Why do we decide to use 0 instead of the 1 here? We judge by the model. And what is this model? Here is the power of 0 is equal to 1. This is the third law of indices, and the law says that any rest of the power of 0 is 1. So we have 4 is the power of 0, which represents this 1. And why we did that is because we needed the same base here, and because they are the same base, it's possible we can cancel out similar base according to the rule called the exponential function or the initial equation. And if we cancel out this common base, we have x squared minus 4 equal to 0. What we need to do now is to take this minus 4 to the right hand side and change to positive 4. So if we isolate this, what on the left is x squared equal to positive 4. The last thing we're going to do is to take the square root of both sides of the equation. And we take the square root of both sides of the equation, the right hand side will be plus or minus square root of 4. And therefore, we cancel out this. Therefore, x will be equal to plus or minus 2. I hope that is very simple. You want to test for extraneosity, anywhere you see x, you can replace it with 2, and then instead of the left hand side, give you the right hand side. I hope that is very simple. Thank you very much for watching.